If you have a damaged iPhone 6 Plus that qualifies for a whole device replacement, Apple may replace it with an iPhone 6 Plus through March, according to an internal document distributed to Apple Authorized Service Providers today. Apple specifically states that orders for whole unit service inventory of some iPhone 6 Plus models may be substituted to an iPhone 6 Plus until the end of March 2018. MacRumors confirmed the memo's authenticity with multiple sources, who requested to remain anonymous due to the positions. Apple doesn't specify which iPhone 6 Plus models are eligible, nor does it provide a reason for the substitution, but it likely relates to Apple's shortage of iPhone 6 Plus replacement batteries until late March or early April. A previous internal document obtained by MacRumors states that Apple no longer manufactures the iPhone 6 Plus, so it likely has to reboot its production lines to replenish its supply of both the device itself and batteries, which would certainly take time. Apple did not respond to our request for comment. It's possible that some customers who have visited a Genius Bar recently opted for a whole device replacement rather than waiting until March or April for a new battery, which may have depleted a little supply of iPhone 6 Plus replacement units that Apple had, but this is only speculation on our part. Apple and most Apple Authorized Service Providers can replace an iPhone's display, battery, speakers, rear camera, or taptic engine individually, while a defective Lightning connector, faulty logic board, and most other repairs are generally eligible for a whole device replacement, our source said. Your mileage may vary depending on the exact damage to your iPhone and the results of Apple's diagnostic tests. Apple support can be reached on the web or by scheduling a Genius Bar appointment. Apple Authorized Service Providers can be searched for on Apple's Find Locations page under Service Support.